I mean, I like adjusting famous people, but also I like adjusting the people who can't get the care that they need.
For sure.
And I had someone who came in, half her jaw, she had a tumor in it like over 30 years ago.
That went viral, right?
Yeah, that went viral.
That was crazy.
Yeah, so she had to get half her jaw removed, and then they did surgery, and then her jaw was shut and half, like a little bit open, so she couldn't eat real food for her whole entire life, and she couldn't get dental work, so she couldn't get like and she just had this pain around her whole head her whole entire life, and then so she got denied by like 10 different health practitioners. So I was the last resort. You know, I'm always last resort basically.